to create the glare effect. Welcome to another fun OpenToonz tutorial with Yui, in which I hope to help you make cool animations using free and affordable programs. For today's tutorial, we'll be creating this cool sunglasses effect. For the image, I went with this character from a game called Debunker. Yes, my current hyperfixation is showing in my videos too. Open the program up and get ready. Let's start animating.
Previously on
UI design. With OpenToonz ready, let's start with creating a scene. Name it wherever you like and choose suitable size. For me, I went 1080 for width and 1920 for height. When the scene is created, you will find yourself in the drawing viewpoint. To get the image we'll be using, you will need to switch to browser. Very simple and easy. In your image file, drag and drop it to the empty box over there. When done, switch back to drawing. Now, we can see our image on the canvas. If your image is small in size, you can scale it up or reposition it by using Animate tool. Much better. Get your notes ready. The hard work is about to start. Step 1. We need to create some shapes. The first shape will be the glasses lens. The other shape is the glare. The reason we're recreating the lenses is because we need a container to keep the glare happening only on the top of the glasses and not the whole image. You know what that means? Yep, this means we're creating a mask. Don't worry, practice will help you understand better. To create any shape, we will first need to make a vector layer. If your layer is yellow in color, this means you have created the vector layer successfully. Then, find the shape tool, change it to polyline, and turn on the autofill. To use the same color of the lenses your character has, use this eyedrop tool and whatever the color you have chosen. Make sure to lower its opacity the same way I did. Now, using the shape tool, set on polyline, redraw the lenses. Take your time in this step. In case you're having trouble in seeing your colors where it's low in opacity, you can make it higher and lower it when done. Finished? Time to draw the second shape. That will be our glare. To do so, make another vector layer. And with the shape tool, go with rectangle, autofill option turned on. Then, find a brighter color to choose to have your glare. You can do like me. I used the eyedrop tool to find a brighter color on the glasses, then played around when it's sitting. All good? Draw 2 rectangle shapes on the edges of the glasses. Again, whatever the color you have chosen, make sure to lower its opacity. Okay, we're switching our viewpoint once more, so don't freak out. From drawing, go to thematic. Spooky. This screen here is all about adding effects. Most our work will be done in this corner here, so don't let all the other stuff stress you out. Before we jump into adding our magical effect, turn on this eye icon. Why? Because this icon is the one that will help us see all the effects we added to the picture. In the lower corner, you see all these 3 boxes? Each one of them is actually one of our layers. If you click this arrow, you will see the layer content. What I'm about to say will help you out in creating any mask effect in the future. So open up your big brain. Right-click on the glare layer. Insert effect, matte, and select matte in. The glare part needs to be connected to the source. As for the lenses, drag a wire out of it and connect it to matte. In case your lens box is still connected to the X sheet, click on that wire and hit delete to remove it. Wow, did you see what happened in the image? The rectangles we drew earlier are only showing within the borders we drew for the lenses. Perfect! Before we head to our next step, let's also add blur effect to the rectangles to make them look like a real glare. Right-click on the glare box, add effect, blur, and select the first blur option. It is literally called blur. What a joke. However, since we added the blur effect, we need to fix the connection to the matte in effect. So rather than having the glare connected directly to the matte in box, delete that wire and drag a new wire from the blur. By double-clicking on the blur box, you will get its settings. Do choose the amount you like. For me, I chose 10 because the character I'm editing for is a 10. Nah, I'm joking. Am I though? Yay! We are halfway done. The last part is animating the glare. It is very easy. Switch back to drawing. You can choose whether you wish to turn the eye icon on or not, depending on your device abilities. For me, I will keep it off to make it easier for you to understand. Before we start animating, we will need to fix the timeline. Select all 3 layers and using this gray arrow, drag it to the wished amount. I made mine 60 seconds. Next, select the animate tool, switching it to position. And on the first keyframe, move the rectangle to the right out of the lenses. Then move further on the timeline, but this time move the rectangle to the left, also out of the lenses. Click on the eye icon to see the results and hit play. Do I need to say anything? Of course, you can make the glare faster by making the key you created closer to each other and slower the further they are. Guess what? We are done! Don't forget to render your work by either going with fast render to MP4 or output setting in case you want to export your work in any other format. Good job on keeping up with Yui, and I hope you got the result you wished for. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button to help this video reach more and more people in need. Oh, and a subscribe would be good. Wink, wink. Feel free to check out my Coffee page that features tons of game designs you can download and use on your devices. Hope you had a fruitful watch. Yui is out.